Vallecitos Water District serves a population of over 100,000, and the service area is approximately 45 square miles. There's multiple homeowners associations in the area and Lake San Marcos Community Association that oversees the entire group. HOA common areas are really complicated. There's a lot of different individuals that have their own specific needs and desires for the landscape. Some homeowners association members are really interested in having grass. They like the way it looks. They like to be able to walk their dogs. To get the whole entire homeowners association to get on one page and make change that they can all agree on is really difficult. The incentives really provided the nexus that was needed for these homeowners associations to participate in these programs. They were able to get stacked incentives from the Metropolitan Water District of Southern California, the San Diego County Water Authority, and the County of San Diego.
The Landscape Optimization Service and the Waterscape Rebate Program are programs offered through the County of San Diego Watershed Protection Program. These are intended to save water, beautify landscapes, decrease stormwater runoff, increase property values, to help address regulatory requirements from the state and the federal government.
Approximately 80% of the turf was removed, and by replacing that grass with low water use plants and native species, there will be a guaranteed reduction in water consumption. One of the major benefits was the stormwater capture features that were included in the programs, and it actually helps to improve the water quality at Lake San Marcos. The real success of the program came from the effort over the years that public information staff had built with the HOA presidents out at Lake San Marcos. We had contacted them constantly, providing information on rebates, programs available for homeowners associations, so they all wanted to take advantage of the available rebates. I'd really like to thank the Metropolitan Water District of Southern California, the San Diego County Water Authority, and the County of San Diego for helping Vallecitos bring these programs to our customers.
These programs not only help us to meet regulatory requirements, they help us to engage with our community and ultimately create long-lasting, sustainable change in our environment.